This is the personal assistant I've created based off of the AI from Halo, the Superintendent. So, it does a few things. It's voice activated by a hot word, which is actually on screen. It's the other name for the Superintendent. And once I say that, Virgil, System Command Delta. It will then execute the command and then go back to listening. And every once in a while, it will change its face too. And also, it will change it if I say something wrong. It will go through a facial expression there. So, Virgil, System Command. So it'll tell me command's not recognized and then go back waiting for a command. So, there it is.